Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to start our chapter, that is Introduction to Coding Scratch. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives. Explaining the concept of the program and programming, work on Scratch interface, handle basic commands, develop logical thinking. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. Our question number 1 is, do you know about Scratch? क्या आप Scratch के बारे में जानते हैं? Second, Scratch is example of A. hardware, B. software, C. both A and B. Scratch किसका एग्जाम्पल है? एक हार्डवेयर का या एक सॉफ्टवेयर का या इन दोनों का? You have to write the answer of this question in the given blank. Third, what is difference between Tux Paint and Scratch? Tux Paint और Scratch के बीच में क्या फर्क है उसको आपको दिए गए ब्लैंक में लिखना है. So students, let's start our chapter. Sequence of instructions given to computer is called program. The language used to write these instructions is called programming language. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language and online community. Scratch is an activity which you can use to give instruction that the computer understands. This service is developed by the MIT Media Lab. In Scratch, a program is saved as a project. It is a free educational programming language. So students, our next topic is getting started with Scratch. Follow these steps to start the Scratch. Step 1, click on Start button. Step 2, scroll through the list and find Scratch. Step 3, select Scratch and press Enter. Scratch window will open. Now, our next topic is components of Scratch. Look at the Scratch screen and its components. Title bar, it displays the name of the saved project. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. Now we have menu bar. It is normally found below the title bar. It has various menus as file, edit, share and help. You can use these menus to give commands to Scratch software. Now we have block palette. It is the place where different instructions are grouped together into blocks. Now, script area. It is the place where you write the stepwise instruction for script to do a particular task. Now, stages. It is the place where you can see your stories, games, animation, music and art in action. Now we have presentation mode. It is used when you want to present your project on full screen. Click exit presentation to exit presentation mode. Now we have view mode. It is used to switch between full stage view and small stage view. Now green flag. It is the way to run the script. Now stop sign. It is used to stop all scripts. Now we have sprite. It is an object which performs functions controlled by scripts. Now students, next we have block palette. The block palette is an area of the graphical user interface. It is located between the stage, sprite pane and scripting area. The blocks are located to the right of the categories which can be clicked to automatically scroll to that category. Now students, we have motion blocks. Motion block has instructions to make the sprite moves such as number of steps, to take in direction of motion, etc. So students, here are some motion block and some descriptions given to you. You can go through it by yourself. Now students, our next topic is moving forward. Create a Scratch program to move the cat sprite 150 steps forward. Step 1, click File menu. A drop down menu will appear. Now select New from here and click. Now step 2, select the motion block. Step 3, drag and drop the move block into the script area. Now step 4 is click on the number area and type 150 in it. Now step 5, to run the script, double click on the block. Watch the movement of cat sprite on the stage. Now our next topic is moving the cat. Here you will learn a cat to walk when certain keys are pressed on the keyboard. In order to make the cat do something, you have to tell it step by step everything it must do. You will control the movement of the cat or the stage by using arrow keys. You will change the costume, that is how you want your cat to look, change the color, add sound, delete and import a spirit. Now we have pen block. Just see the pen block. All the pen related instruction are grouped together here. Pen block has instruction to provide the trail of the spirit, to change the color of the trail, etc. Now again some motion blocks and their description given to you. You have to go through it by yourself and learn. Now students, our next topic is drawing a blue color line. So to draw a blue color line, we have given some steps. Our step number 1 is, finally click File menu. A drop down menu will appear. Select New from here. Step 2, select the pen block. Step 3, drag and drop the pen down block into the script area. Now step 4, drag and drop the set pen color into the script area and click on the color picker to choose the blue color. Now step 5, in the motion block select Move Steps. Now step 6 is drag and drop into the script area, click on the number area and type 100 on it. Step 7, to run the script, double click on the block, watch cat spirit drawing a blue color line on appeared screen. The Scratch program is saved as a project. Now our next topic is saving a Scratch program. Now after doing all your drawings and editing, how will you save a Scratch program? Follow these steps to save the project. These are 2 ways of saving a project to the online editor. The most common way to save content is to click the Save Now located onto right corner of the editor, or click File in toolbar, then from drop down menu click Save Now. Now our next topic is exiting the Scratch. To close or exit Scratch, follow these steps. Step number 1, click File menu, click on Quit option. Now we are going to learn about how to write on a Scratch program. First, we have to drag the instruction block such as motion and sound from the block palette area and drop them into the script area. These blocks are pasted one after the other to create the script, that is, the block should fit into each other as jigsaw puzzle block. Third, when you double click on a script, Scratch runs the program. It carries out the instruction in the blocks one by one from the top to the bottom of the script. We can change the number of steps the spirit moves by clicking inside the number area and typing the new number. We can also change the direction by clicking on the arrow and selecting directions. There are several spirits that are already available. You can use these, or you can even draw your own spirit and use it. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. Sequence of instruction given to computer is called a program. कंप्यूटर को एक सीक्वेंस में जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलती है उसे प्रोग्राम कहते हैं. The language used to write these instructions is called programming language. इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को लिखने के लिए जिस लैंग्वेज को यूज किया जाता है उसे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. Scratch is a programming language. Scratch program एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. Pen block has instruction to provide the trail of the spirit, to change the color of the trail, etc. Stage is the place where you see your stories, games, animation, music and art in action. स्टेज एक ऐसा प्लेस है जहां पर आपने जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज करी है उन्हें आप एक्शन में देख सकते हैं. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.